Hey guys, what's happening? How to change background color in Tradingview. So if you want to change the background only, you can click the menu at the bottom right. And then what you're going to do, click the settings gear at the top right. And you're going to see under that chart, you're going to see theme. Go ahead and click theme. And you can change it from dark mode to light mode and so forth. Alright? But if you want to change the lines or the chart lines, you can go ahead to the chart, click the settings next to the year. You're gonna see it right here. I'm highlighting it. Alright, so I'm gonna click it and then click more settings, and here you're gonna be able to see the chart, like the scales and lines and whatever. Go ahead and click the symbol and you can change the color of your chart. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.